raised power x plus 6 raised power x equals 2 times 4 raised power x. And we want to find the value of x. Solution. So let's divide both sides of this equation by 4 raised power x. So we have 9 raised power x over 4 raised power x plus 6 raised power x over 4 raised power x equals 2, because we have used 4 raised power x to divide both sides. So we are good to go. This 9 raised power x over 4 raised power x can be written as 9 over 4 everything raised power x plus the same thing as this, 6 over 4 raised power x equals 2. So now let's simplify. 9 is the same thing as 3 square, and 4 is also the same thing as 2 square. So everything raised power x plus this is 6, this is 4. 2 in 6, that's 3, and 2 in 4, that's 2. So we have raised power x equals 2. So now let's pull out the power of both 3 and 2 here, which is 2. So we have 3 over 2 raised power 2 into bracket raised power x plus 3 over 2 raised power x equals 2. So in this case, we are going to interchange these guys. So we have 3 over 2 raised power x bracket raised power 2 plus 3 over 2 raised power x equals 2. So now in this case, we are going to let y to be equals 3 over 2 raised power x. You can actually use any variables. So I'm using y here. So this implies y squared. When we plug in the value of y here, we have y squared plus this guy also we have y equals 2. This also implies that we have y squared plus y minus 2 equals 0. We can now factorize this guy. So when we do that, we are going to obtain y squared plus 2y minus y minus 2 equals 0, which leads us to having y into y plus 2 minus 1 into y plus 2 equals 0. When you use this guy to multiply, you are going to obtain all these values. So we have y plus 2 times y minus 1 equals 0. So in this case, y is either equals to minus 2 or y equals to 1. So we are going to consider the positive case when y equals to 1. So let's call this equation 1. So sub y equals to 1 into equation 1. So the value of y, which is 1, we are going to plug it here. So we have 1 equals 3 over 2 raised power x. So now, we take the natural logarithm of both sides. So when we do that, we have log 1 equals log 3 over 2 raised power x, which is the same thing as log 1 equals, using the properties of logarithm, we can write it as log s log 3 over 2. Because whenever we have something like this, log, let's say log a raised power b, is the same thing as b log a. That's the property. So we are good to go. Let's divide both sides by log 3 over 2. When we do that, we are going to obtain s log 1 over log 3 over 2. But we know that natural logarithm of 1 is 0. So in this case, x equals to 0. So that's the value for the exponential equation. So that's it. Thanks for watching.